This tutorial review will show you how to apply before and after a scan on Instagram Reels. First of all, open your Instagram and make sure to update your Insta application. Tap on this plus icon at the bottom. Select Reel. Tap on Effects. Tap on Effects. Tap on the search icon and type here before after is scan. And this is the actual effect we are going to use. So tap on it. Once you selected the effect, you have to tap on add media and select the photo you want to match with your face. Once you selected the photo, now tap on this effect icon to record yourself. And your face, once your face scanned, and this is how you will be able to match your face with someone using this effect. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.